Patrick at Pals, and we just did a video on the Jeep Patriot that Lester's working on. And I came down to Bay 4, and here's a Hyundai, and right next to it is the AC machine. We just checked the AC. It only had a ½ pound in it, so it's very low on refrigerant. So what Kendall is in the process of doing now is setting it up on the rack so that we can find out where the leak is for the refrigerant. Like I was saying with the Patriot, it's 90 degrees at 10:45 in the morning and very high humidity. People need to be cool and they want their air conditioning to work. At Pals, we're equipped to fix it. If you've got a car with air conditioning, it doesn't matter whether it's R12, R134, or 123, Y123, we can take care of your problems. If you've got a Hyundai, bring it to Pals. See you soon.